Let us all welcome you for this lecture series in production technology course. Today we have a very interesting topic to discuss. Let's all start with a very interesting example of our heart. How many of them know that our heart is a very good pump? Yes. So it is pumping blood and then supplies blood to all the organs. The organs gets the nutrients from the blood and it is again coming into the heart and it purifies the same. Okay. So this pump works. Do you know how much liters of blood per day the heart pumps? Yes. So it is about 18 liters of blood every day the heart has to pump and it has to work. So everywhere we have some measurements, right? So that is what the intention of telling this particular example of your own body. So the science and the art and science of measuring things and measurements related studies, we call it as metrology. Hope you understand what is metrology. So it is the science and study of measurements. It involves accurate measuring, sure measurements are right. Accuracy is nothing but making sure measurements are right, and precision making sure measurements are consistent. What is meaning by right and consistent? So whenever you measure something and you have the value that is to be obtained, and that value is closer to the measured value, then we call it as it is an accurate measurement. And when the instrument produces the same consistent value or the measurements are consistent, then the process is said to be, the measuring instrument is said to be precise. So it is a basic requirement in any field of science and technology, most importantly in engineering and manufacturing, measurements are required. So the picture here is depicted that shows the metrology goal, that is to provide measurements which impact our economy, healthy, safety, and general well-being. So it is a process of assigning a numerical value to amount of something or quantity of something. So for example, we have groceries to purchase. When you go to a store, they will give by weight, right? All the veggies and fruits we are getting from the stores is all about weight. When you go to buy a TMT rod for measurements, and that is all about, we have to go with the weight again. And when we go to measure for getting certain things which has length as one of the prospective measurement, then the length is being measured. And when we have temperatures, we can go for temperature measurements, time, height, everything is measurement. So what are the types of metrology we have? Established scientific metrology, legal metrology, and industrial metrology. Three different types we have. So scientific metrology is establishment of the unit of measurements, realization of measurement standards, development of new measurement methods. And legal metrology is determination and implementation of general physical principle of legal metrology, formulation and enforcement of legal metrology act rules, development of recommendations of the verification of typical measuring instruments, etc. Ensuring the adequate function of measuring instruments used in industries and testing laboratories is all about industrial metrology. It ensures the sustainable and effective supply chain system, supporting manufacturing process and service sectors. This is all about types of metrology. So we have certain measuring tools used in metrology, angle locator, and and we can measure angles. We have a pressure gauge, second to the first one. This gauge measures the pressure level of air and any other medium. The third one is laser level to find out the level of heights difference. Inclinometer is a split level, and a protector is again to measure an angle. Measure square, angle gauge, micrometer, compass, vernier caliper, spirit level, tape measure. So these are the certain instruments we use in metrology. We will study in detail about these instruments and how to handle these instruments in the upcoming lecture. Thank you all.